Hello everyone, welcome back to Scholarly. Oh wow, how beautiful. Yeah, it's nice. Oh no, a snake. Hold on, what is going on here? Have you guessed our topic today? Yes, the topic today is interjection. Okay, so from all these sentences you have guessed the topic interjection. What are interjections? Interjections are the sudden words or the words or exclamations in our regular speech. Whenever we are talking or something we saw that influences our emotions or moods and we suddenly utter the words. These words expresses our mood, they express our emotions at the time. That is the first reaction. Whenever we see something strange, something very nice, something dreadful, all of these moods, we can express them through these interjections. So, interjections are one of the important parts of speech and the last part of speech. So, let's write the definition of interjection. What are interjections? Interjections are the exclamations in our regular spoken language. They express our mood. Yes, whenever we are happy or whenever we saw something beautiful, then the mood is delighted, we can express through these words. So, they express our emotions too. Oh no, the exam was too hard. They express our emotions and they also express our mood. They are the first reaction to anything that influences our emotions. Okay, they are the first reaction. So these are interjections, one of the important parts of speech. Some examples of interjection, actually they don't have a regular pattern because sudden reactions are there. So some of the examples of interjections are wow. Exclamation mark is very important while writing these interjections. We can also guess them through these exclamation marks. Wow. Oh, nice. Oh no. What? These are the examples of interjections. So there are some rules while using these interjections, or we can say there are four main roles of interjections in a sentence. So want to know which are the rules? Okay, let's see which are the rules. So friends, let's learn the four roles, or we can say rules of interjection. So what is the first role of interjection? The first one is interjections, they express the sudden mood or emotions with emphasis. Interjections express the sudden mood or emotions or expressions expressions with emphasis. Yes. For example, wow, what a beautiful dress. Mine is to wow, what a beautiful dress. This wow express sudden emotions. So it is the role of interjection in this sentence. Now the second role, moving to the second one, the interjections are also used to interrupt someone or to interrupt any conversation or to hold someone while talking. They are also used to interrupt conversation. Actually, to interrupt any conversation or to hold someone while speaking, when we use interjections there, they don't have any sense, or I think they are not actually sensical words. Just some letters or group of letters we use there, like I want to speak but, or these are the interjections here because they are used to interrupt them. So their role is to interrupt someone. So examples we can write. I want to ask you, will you come? Here the conversation is interrupted. This word UH, it actually don't have any meaning, but it is a sudden uttering from someone, so it interrupts the sentence. So this is also the second role of interjection. Now moving to the third role, the third role of interjections are also used to express yes or no. Yes, no, no. Interjections are also used to express yes or no. How come? Let's see one example. Yes, I got it. No, it won't happen. Both the sentences yes and no are used to express their positivity or the negative answer. So these two words here they used as interjections in the sentences. Now the fourth rule or role of interjection is interjections are also used to hold someone's attention. Okay, interjections are also used to hold someone's attention. Okay, some people are talking, you want to interrupt them or you want to take their attention, then we can say that hi, hello, what are you doing, or oh, yo-ho. These words, they grab the attention of the speaker. So this is also the role of interjection. Very interesting part of speech, that is interjection. It expresses our sudden mood or our emotions or expressions, sudden expressions are there. So this is interjection. Did you like this video? Do share with us and don't miss our next video, because in our next video I am going to share something very interesting. So till then, take care and goodbye.